Hello everyone, my name is Pat. Today I'll be showing you the 2005 Chevy 2500 HD. Starts up with no problems. Vehicle has 110,000 miles on it. So this is usually where I do the windows checks, but these have roll down windows. So we'll check them anyway. No problems with this one. We'll start showing you the outside too. You'll see here there's a few scratches in it throughout the whole bed actually. Actually not throughout the whole bed, it's a little much, but there is quite a few scratches in it. Looks like they've all been touched up. You know, it is a utility work truck, and it's been used for that. See here, nice big one here. Some more scratching in this area. Over here as well. Alright, so let's step back so we can look at the whole thing. So let's show you the liftgate working. Oh, I forgot. We gotta drop this down first. Open this up. Hit the button. So the liftgate opens, no problem. All right. Let's check this window real quick. Passenger seat is in good condition. You can see it does come with a fire extinguisher. driver's seat also in good condition. Let's show the light on top working. Alright, let's move on to the engine. Nice clean engine. I'm sorry, engine bay. As you can see, motor's running nice and smooth. There's no roughness. Next, I'm going to check lights and tires. For the tires, I have this tool right here, which is going to measure the tread in 30/2 of an inch. So this first tire here is going to be 12/32 of tread. Headlights, right turn signal. And this one also 12/32. This one a little bit lower, 11/32. Right rear turn in the running lights, you see the license plate lights are working. The other rear running light. And the last tire here. Is going to be, let me redo that, that doesn't look right. So this tire here is going to be 9/32 of tread. Left turn signal and high beams. And the rear left turn. All right. Let's check out the AC real quick. And the radio works as well. Let's get to a good station.
Also the enter for your chip.
Okay. So yeah, it works. It's good. All right, and AC. There we go. AC is blowing out, very cold, feels good. Let's check the heat now. And that is very hot. Alright, so now we're ready for a test drive. I figure what we could do to start off is we'll put it into the four-wheel low. And you can see the lights come on. Alright, so the four-wheel low is working good. Pull down to the four-wheel high. Again, you see the light is on, letting us know that it is engaged. And the four-wheel high is working great, no problems. Here real quick, we'll put it back into regular two-wheel drive. The lights come off. Let's check out reverse. It does, I don't know if you can hear it, but it does have the reverse warning. No problems with reverse. So as I shifted through all the gears, the four-wheel low, the four-wheel high, reverse and drive, the transmission shifted very smoothly. There was no hesitation or noises. It was a very smooth shift. Truck has no problems getting up to speed, has very good acceleration. That's the light warning. Alright. So lastly, we have two keys for the vehicle. So that was a 2005 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. I hope this video answered any questions you have about the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell so you can receive notifications. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.